Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and with so many collapsible cubes in the world, it's nice to find something that not only is useful, but also looks good. And that's why I really like these EZOWare collapsible cubes. Now, the reason why I love it is I use this in a 4-cube storage that I have that also works as nightstands for me and my husband. So it's the first thing you see when you walk into our bedroom. And I really wanted something that was going to be able to store more of my clothes, but also look nice and elegant at the same time. It definitely gives it that quality look. And that's what I love. I also love the rope handle. We have a lot of decorative ropes all over the place, so that definitely made this feel like it fit. I love the strong, sturdy material they have that makes the shape of the cube, because you definitely feel like no matter how many times you pull and push it back in that cubicle, it is going to maintain its shape. And also the fabric, like I said, looks very pretty, but it's also durable. It is really high quality fabric that is wrapped around this cube. I think if you're someone who has storage needs, but doesn't want to sacrifice looks for that storage, I think this is an absolute must. I have really appreciated it, and I hope you will too. And that's my point of view.